We are going on with our series on complex numbers, and in this video we'll focus on real and complex solutions. So we are given the equation of x to the power of 4 plus 13x squared plus 36. And what we want to do is find the values of x, or solve for x, in this equation. Now what I notice is that I can easily factor this trinomial. So I can split x to the power of 4 to x squared times x squared. Then I use the factors of 36 to create the middle term of 13. And I can see if I add 4 with 9, I have the middle term value of 13. So that means I have x squared plus 4 times x squared plus 9. So now we can see that both sets of brackets are a sum of squares. And in a previous video, I showed you how to rewrite a sum of squares to become a difference of two squares. So following those instructions, I have x squared minus 4i squared times x squared minus 9i squared equal to 0. Now I have a difference of two squares, and I can continue to factor these brackets individually. So my first set of brackets would become x minus 2i times x plus 2i. And if I factor the second set of brackets, that leads to x minus 3i times x plus 3i equal to 0. And now I can solve for x by setting each of these brackets equal to 0. So that will lead to x can be equal to plus or minus 2i, or x can be equal to plus or minus 3i. So after I factored this trinomial, I used imaginary numbers to create a difference of two squares, which I could factor further. And that resulted into x having 4 possible solutions for this equation.